Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install Monese app in your device. Monese is a convenient and potentially cost-effective option for managing your finances, especially if you travel internationally or live abroad. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Monese. There you can see Monese. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Monese app to help you manage your finance, especially when you travel frequently or live abroad. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.